Hi, I'm Aaron, founder of Hammill Capital. I joined Platform Builders because I had been following Michael Blanc and his team for some time, and I wanted to implement a system. Being new to syndication and raising capital for real estate, I wanted to find a concrete foundation to launch off of for my business. I knew real estate well, I knew multifamily real estate well and how to evaluate it, but I also knew that syndication and raising capital for business was something I didn't understand and something that needed a lot of learning, and I wanted to do it right. So I trusted the Michael Blanc team because I knew that they were the pros in the industry, and I took that leap, and honestly, I cannot be more happy with what they had to offer. It was far and beyond everything that I expected. It really was. And they gave us an extremely large amount of time that I did not expect, and the content was amazing. And the best part of it, which was really the biggest part I was looking for, was the automation of everything. I work full-time in my current job and needed something that was going to help me do more with less, and the technology automation sides of things was what I hoped for the most, and they exceeded that. I have a system now that will take my business to the next level and do a lot of it for me. On top of that, now I understand what marketing and branding of a business and of myself really means, and how to take advantage of that in the fullest. The team that Michael Blanc has are truly experts, and they're very good at teaching people and helping us understand. I'm extremely excited for the next steps in taking this business, and I have a full confidence now to do that, which I didn't have before. And that confidence and that systems and that process and the automation of things is really what I needed to have, and I have that. And I'm excited about taking everything that I've learned and the system now that I already have built through this training, and using it for all of the content that I create, podcasts, blog posts, everything, all the ideas now that I didn't have before, even beyond podcasts and blog posts. There's so much to be done with it, and I'm getting started and looking forward to the future of helping me, my company, and all of the people that I put this business together for, which is to help friends, family, and other investors out there about the awesomeness of multifamily as an investment and what it can do for us all. So join the Platform Builders team. It's worth it.